Hello everyone. Today let's start with exercise 1.1. The very first question of this exercise 1.1 is determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminal. So we have already done with the definition of this coterminal. Okay. In that there was one note. Okay. Let me show you that note. Okay, if the two directed angles are coterminal, so we all know what are the directed angles, and if these two directed angles are coterminals, then the difference between the measures of this two directed angle is an integral multiple of 360. Okay, that means ये जो दो ये डायरेक्टेड एंगल्स है उनका अगर हम लोग ने डिफरेंस ले लिया और वो डिफरेंस अगर हमें इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ 360 देता है, देन वी कैन सी दैट दोज टू एंगल्स आर कोटर्मिनल एंगल्स. ओके, सो सेम थिंग वी हैव टू अप्लाई over here. Okay, so the angles which are given over here are 210 degree and the second one is minus 150 degree. Okay, these are the two angles which are given. So let's begin with the solution. Okay, as I told you, we have to determine whether the given pair of angles are coterminal or not. Okay, for this we have to take the difference of these two angles. Okay, and if the difference of this two angle is a multiple of 360 now, then only we can see that the pair of angles are coterminals. मतलब इन दोनों का जब difference मुझे multiple of 360 मिलता है, then only I can see that given pair of angles are coterminals. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here I'll take the difference of this two angle. So difference मतलब हमें यहाँ पे माइनस करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this will be 110 degree, minus of minus it will be plus 150 degree, and the addition will be equals to 360 degree, correct? So this can be written as 1 into 360 degree, so which is a multiple of 360, right? So here I can see which is a multiple of 360 degree. Therefore the given pair of angles are coterminal. ओके, सो हमें एवरी टाइम जो भी हमारे पास दो एंगल्स रहेगा उनका हमें डिफरेंस चेकआउट करना है, वेदर इट इज़ अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 360, देन ओनली वी कैन सी इट इज़ अ कोटर्मिनल. इफ इट इज़ नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 360, देन ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ नॉट द कोटर्मिनल. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड सम ऑल्सो. Here for the second sum, the pair of angles are 360 and the second one is minus 30 degree. So these are the two angles. Okay, so I have to check whether they are making a pair of angles, whether this pair of angles are coterminal or not. So we'll apply the same method here also. We'll go for the difference of these two angles. So it will be 360 degree minus of minus 30 degree. Okay, so let's open the bracket. So 360 degree minus of minus will be plus 30 degree, which is nothing but 390 degree. अब ये 390 तो 360 का मल्टीपल है ही नहीं, करेक्ट? So here we can see that which is not a multiple of 360 degree. Okay, so the final answer will be, therefore the given pair of angles are not coterminal. Is it clear? अगर हमें डिफरेंस 360 का मल्टीपल में मिलता है, देन वी कैन सी दैट द गिवन पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स आर कोटर्मिनल. अगर वो डिफरेंस 360 के मल्टीपल में नहीं है, then we can say that the given pair of angle are not coterminal. Okay, now let's move for the third sum. It's minus 180 degree and the second one is 540 degree. Okay, so same method will apply here also, यानी कि हमें इन दोनों का डिफरेंस लिखना है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट एंगल इज -180, सेकेंड वन इज 540 ना. सो ऑफकोर्स हमें पहले ग्रेटर वन लिखना पड़ेगा एंड देन द स्मॉलर वन बाय पुटिंग माइनस इन बिटवीन दिस टू एंगल्स. ओके, which is equals to 540 degree. When we'll open this bracket, sign will get multiplied, so minus minus will be plus 180 degree, which is equals to 720 degree. So we all know this 720 can be written as 2 into 360 degree, correct? This can be written like this also, यानी कि ये 360 का मल्टीपल है 2 into 360. So we can see that which is a multiple of 360 degree, and therefore the given pair of angles are coterminal. Okay, now let's move for the fourth sum also. The angles for this fourth sum are -405 and 675 degree. So these are the two pair of angles. So let's check whether the difference of this two angle is a multiple of 360 or not. Okay, so again we have to write the greater one, that is 675 degree minus of -405 degree. Okay, we'll open the bracket, so it will be minus minus plus, and the addition of this will be equal to 1080 degree. Okay, again we know this is a multiple of 3 into 360 degree, correct? So again this is a multiple of 360, so we can see that which is a multiple of 360 degree, and therefore the given pair of angles are coterminal. Okay, let's move for the fifth sum now. The pair of angles for this fifth sum are 860 degree and 580 degree. Okay, so again we'll check the difference of these two angles. Now we are having both the angles in a positive form. Okay, so it will be 860 degree minus 580 degree, which is equals to 280 degree, and this is not a multiple of 360, correct? So which is not a multiple of 360 degree, therefore the given pair of angles are not coterminal. Okay, and the next sixth sum is the angles are 900 degree and the second one is -900 degree. Okay, I'm giving this sum for homework. Okay, so now you all must have understood how to solve such kind of sums. Okay, when the question is like determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminals, तो दिए हुए pair of angles को हमें check करना है whether they are coterminal or not. For that we have to go for the difference. हमें ये दो angles का difference check करना होता है. अगर वो difference multiple of 360 है, then only we can see that the given pair of angles are coterminals. If the difference is not a multiple of 360, then the given pair of angles are not coterminal. Is it clear?